This video is going to be about one of the two fans I picked up in an estate sale. The Kenmore Roll-O-Matic is the other fan I picked up, missing the, like I say, the base, the wheels. But this fan is a nice, clean General Electric 3-speed electrically reversible fan. The rubber on the propeller there is in good shape. This fan runs smooth, quiet. It's not rusted anywhere. The grill's in nice shape, not bent up. The top's in good shape. The metal handle has a spring to pull it back down. It has the off and 3 forward speeds and the in and out switch. It has a nice turquoise matching cord. The problem why this fan didn't work was the plug on the end looked like this. And I did plug it in at the estate sale, so it's taped up. Plugged it in at the estate sale to see if it worked and turned it on, nothing happened. So when I got home I untaped this and saw that, put a new plug on the end, turned the fan on, it came right on. I assumed that was a problem when I was at the estate sale. That's why I bought the fan. And this is one clean, super clean fan. Look at that. And this has a tag on the bottom. It's a General Electric portable fan, catalog number F15W13, 110 20 volt 60 cycles, 110 volt 50 cycles, amps is 3, and look at that, made in USA. When do you think the last time a electric fan was made in the USA? This fan, I did a little research on the internet, is a 1963. So we'll turn this fan on too, run it through both directions, all 3 speeds. We'll start with low blowing in. So it's going to be blowing towards the camera. And that's low. It's on a little uneven cement there. So I hope that doesn't cause it to rattle or anything. When it's sitting on a rug, this thing is motionless and you can't hear it run. It sounds like it's just now up to the low RPM. It's not gaining speed anymore, it's just kind of running at a steady speed now. So we'll switch it to medium. And this fan's still building up speed running on medium, and it's turning the blade of the Kenmore fan. These old fans really move the air, and they're quiet and they're smooth. And that sounds like it's running at speed on medium. I'll put it up to high. The flying towel, we'll stick it on the... It is sticking pretty much all straight out, but you can see, okay, there's the suction side, the back. We'll turn the fan off. And we'll switch it to out. That's out, that's in, that's out. And you'll see the fan blade run in the other direction as soon as I power it back on. Takes a while for this fan to stop rolling. Alright, I'm going to power it to low. And you can see that is now suction on the front side of the fan. And it's still building up a little bit of RPM on low. Sounds like it's at its running RPM now, so I'll switch it to medium. And it sounds like it's running about its normal medium RPM, so I'll switch it to high. And that fan would be blowing outside now with the front still facing in. Back to medium, back to low, and to off. Like I say, this fan is all metal. I don't think there's one bit of plastic, not even the handle. The handle is metal and it's spring loaded back in. I think these little things here are like a rubber that hold the grill in, and then there's rubber between the blade and the hub that mount it to the shaft so that it runs smoother and quieter. I don't know if you can see the spring from this side up in there or not. I don't think you can. Oh yeah, you can see it. Quarter 20 bolts with rubber grommets hold that motor in. Oh, one nice clean fan. I bought it to use in the garage, and then come to find out it's worth a couple $100. So I might sell it on eBay. I don't need to ruin a nice fan in the garage. Thank you for watching my videos. See my other video on the Kenmore fan.